Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Hafiyan Fazagi Adnanto from Staff Science 3, number 16. Today I'm going to show you how to make a donuts in order to complete the task for English practical test SMA Negeri 2 Kota Mojokerto tahun 2021. Donuts is a classic food made of flour, dough mixed with eggs, butter, and sugar, then added with yeast to expand the dough to be bigger. In usual, donuts shapes like wheel with a hole in the middle. This food have known by many countries in the world, so that's why this food can be called as international food. When making donuts, there are several steps that must be followed. Before that, we will prepare the tools and ingredients first.
The tools needed when making a donuts are a spoon, a cake pan, big bowl, and a napkin or hand towel. Then let's go to the ingredients. The ingredients we need to make donuts are 250 grams of flour, 70 grams of butter, 1 egg yolk, 125 milliliters of water, 50 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, and a chocolate sprinkles or mazes for the topping. Then let's go to the steps how to making a donut. There are several steps we must follow when making a donuts. First of all, prepare the bowl and pour 250 grams of flour into the bowl. Add 50 grams of sugar, one egg yolk, (125 milliliters of water, then stir until all of the ingredients mixed well. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast, and stir it until mixed. After that, we will add 70 grams of butter into the dough. Then mix the dough and the butter together until the dough is smooth. If the dough's already smooth, we will remove the dough into the cake pan. For the next steps, we will prepare the cake pan. For the first, we will spread a little bit of flour on the cake pan, and we take out the dough from the bowl, remove to the cake pan, and knead for a while. Next, take a little piece of dough and shape it into a round like a ball. After all of the dough has been browned, we will cover the dough with napkin or hand towel tightly. And leave it about 40 minutes to make the dough bigger. After 40 minutes, the dough will getting bigger. For the next steps, we will knead again each of the dough into round like a ball. After that, we will shape the dough into circle with the hole in the middle like a wheel. After all of the dough has been shaped, we will cover the dough again with a napkin and keep it about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the dough will be bigger again and we will fry all of the dough. Fry the dough with deep frying technique using medium heat. After all of the dough has been fried, for the next steps, we will marinate the top of the dough with the butter. Next, after we marinate the donuts, we will give a chocolate sprinkle or mazes for the topping on the side of donuts that has been marinated. The donuts is done. Serve the donuts while it's warm with your family or your friends. There are procedures how to make a donut. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.